All right, welcome back. And looking at Time Wonderland here, and I thought Time Wonderland died back in the day. The last I heard of it, it was getting rug pulled and everybody was getting out, but they're actually still here. I mean, you can see this thing's a never-ending rug pull to hell. There's no end in sight. It's a bottomless pit, in my opinion, of course. But I had to come over here to CoinTrader Pro to even look at it, and actually have to zoom into the 4-hour chart to draw any kind of TA on it. You can see here there's really not much to say on it. I really don't know much about the project, but if you know more, then by all means, invest in it if you want to. Not financial advice. But from what I see, it's just completely going down. It's just stair stepping down constantly. It's at what, 1208 at the moment. I would say before long, over the next couple of months, it's going to be below $1, and then eventually someday go to zero. I mean, what else is there to say? I don't know what they have planned. But if you're interested in it, just go check it out on CoinMarketCap or their Twitter page or whatever. But the only thing I can do is this purple line right here. This has to be your top here for time. You can see this thing has massive moves up, then kind of pulls back up, pulls back, goes sideways, has a massive move down, sideways up, down, sideways up, probably down, sideways, massive move down. So it's just repeating the same kind of pattern over and over. But the general idea is it's a bottomless pit. It's never ending, as you can see here, going down. So I would never invest in this thing. I don't know the mechanics behind it all, what they're doing. But from purely a coin or token standpoint, this thing has no bottom. It's going to keep going down. But with that being said, it looks like you're probably going to top out here soon at this $12 area, and then you're going to have a massive move to the downside. So the only, I mean, you really can't draw anything on something like this because it's just complete lunacy in my opinion. So let's say this is the top and it is going to pull back at some point. On a regular coin, the TA I would do, you would have your 618 retracement, but this thing has just insane price action as you can see here. So the only thing I could say is you're going to top out somewhere around this 12 area if you're not there already, and maybe pull back. The 618 retracement is down here at 1075. So, I mean, if you just want some kind of price, you're looking at about an 11% move down, possibly the 786 down here, 14.5% move. The bottom of the fib here, where it looks like you had a bunch of resistance back here, as you can see, maybe you'll hold the line here. So you're looking at about a 17% move to come down here to what is this price? In this $10 area range. And I would say if you lose the $10 and 977 to $10, then it's just going to keep cascading down to the pits of hell. You can see the 1618 here is at 818. So other than that, there's really not much else to say on time. I thought this thing didn't even exist anymore, and apparently it does. And you can't really chart something like this. It's a complete gamble, in my opinion, of course. Not saying anything bad about it, but it is what it is. You got to take it for what it is. But yeah, I'm not gonna speak anymore about it. It is what it is. Not financial advice. Thanks for watching, and peace out.